Dotty.
What's going on, Caroline?
Well, I put my snack in my hoodie, but Dotty ate it. This is so longer.
Caroline,
Help me. What?
do you normally carry letters in your hood?
Yeah. That was a secret, though. I was trying to keep it away from them, but now they know.
So here we are with Caroline. Caroline's been helping me. We've got Taz and Chip now, so obviously, because of lockdown, they're obviously locked away. Quish, we're going to be in here for the winter. I know. Obviously, with the avian flu, we have to make sure our birds are safe.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like it in here, so they're in here with tinsel, and we got
That's mine. Yours is mine.
Caroline. That's for the animals. Drop. Good girl. So we're making new pens up for the birds to make sure they're very secure. So for me, Caroline, and
What?
Taz and Chip,
No arguments.
and Taz and Chip.
Bobby and Tinso
Yes.
have a lovely time. And save the snacks. This is Operation Save the Snacks.